Friends, Gap here with Restore Hope Oils. I'm super excited to be with you today. I wanted to take some time to discuss some basics, right? We have a lot of individuals that follow us that are already familiar with essential oils and essential oil usage, but we're gaining more and more individuals who don't know about essential oils. And so I wanted to take some time today to be with you and share just a few tricks of application. Now, again, this is not an end-all be-all video of how to apply essential oils or even about all essential oils. But I just wanted to talk about some basics and application. So number one, let's talk about roll-ons. And so here I have our blend Pure Happy, which this is a blend of citrus oils with a slight vanilla hint with some peppermint that provides an energetic aroma that is just sweet and beautiful for the mind when the body's feeling a little stress in the mind, feeling, what's the word? Should we say even just tired in the mind, some mental tiredness. And so someone can use this in a lot of different ways, but when they see the roll-on, they just assume, okay, well, where do I put this? Let me show you a simple trick if you're new to essential oils. You can take your 3 fingers and understand the essential oils that we're utilizing are going to be antibacterial. There's a lot of different antimicrobial capacities to essential oils. But I recommend you wash your hands before you do this. But know that this is one way I like to do it. I'll take an essential oil and I'll just rub it because I want to see how much oil is actually on. I want to see the oil on the fingers. And then where I like to apply Pure Happy is I like it for the lymphatic system, and then I like to be able to smell it. So I'll put it down the sides of my neck. And then I'll just kind of vibrate my fingers down, and that helps stimulate some lymphatic movement, which we need that lymph to move, right? Again, I'll do the same thing on the other side, just a little bit, not much is needed, and then I'll just do the same thing here. Then what I do is I take the excess, I may rub a little bit more on my neck at the same time, but there's going to be the aroma on my fingers, and I am going to take that in, my friends. It's so beautiful. Just so uplifting, energizing for the mind. Again, this is one way to apply a roll-on. One way to do that. So, right, because we can use roll-ons in lots of different parts of our body. We have liver-specific oils that we can put oil on the 3 fingers and then just put that on the lower right rib cage. That's where your liver sits. So again, all I'm talking about, sometimes people will ask me, well, how many circles do I do? Do I need to massage it in? Well, you just saw what I like to do. I like to put it on the 3 fingers and then I'll massage it in to that specific area, as opposed to just rolling it on and walking away. Now, a lot of people do that, and that's okay, but I want that essential oil to go right into the skin. I want it to absorb, and I want to be able to massage that in because it will get in even quicker, right? So when we massage it in, there's less of what we call evaporation or what we call flash off. So that's how I like that. But again, put it on the 3 fingers, and then you can put it wherever the oil is best going to be used. It can be oils that are over the respiratory tract, the liver, other parts of the body. But I like, if you're new to essential oils, until I understand how much my body really likes, I like to apply it to the 3 fingers, my friends.
Please remember that the information regarding the application and use of the products in this presentation should only be viewed as an educational resource. Products mentioned in this video have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. They should not be considered as a replacement for treatment by a healthcare provider. Neither are they intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Before you go, be sure to like this video, share it with a friend, and give us a comment. Again, thanks for watching our videos.